Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to Bhroman Braapsody. This is where we review cars, motorcycles, do road trips, do fun stuff. But since I'm already on a coast-to-coast ride for the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation, and I didn't have a lot of time to edit these videos or edit my videos before I left. I figured this would be a great opportunity to give a shout out to our sponsors, unbox a couple of their products, and see what we are dealing with. So, first of all, let's start off with Cardo. This is the box I got and I was excited, so I went ahead and opened it. There's a few things in here. Got a cool Cardo hat. Some stickers and a little keyring with the Cardo. Well, it's pretty cool. It looks like the little Cardo system, so that's cool. And then finally, the Packtalk Edge. Box. Puke. Now we have the Packtalk box. Let's see what's in it. Struggled for a bit. Fun times. Fun times. All right. That's the outer shell, and then you get this nice little box, like a jewelry box of sorts. Boom. Out comes the Cardo. Out comes the Cardo. Let's see. Oh, you get more stickers. So that's cool. That's your that's the head unit or the main unit to control your calls and volumes and all of that. Push it out. Oh, this is nice and light. You have your starter, like your instruction manual of sorts, like you know how to connect it and how to do all of that. You have your pocket guides and all that good stuff. Another box. What's this? What do we have in here? Ah, yes. You have your JBL speakers. These go inside your helmet. Couple of pads, sticky pads, the mount for your for the head unit or the main unit. There you go. That's another mount. Your microphone, charging cable, all that good stuff. This is everything that comes inside the box. I got the little hat. Thank you, Cardo. You have your JBL speakers. See, say it's JBL. You have your microphone, your head unit, the mount, the sticky covers, a Cardo sticker, and your connection guides and whatnot. I'm gonna do a full review of the product on my ride and see how it fared in the ride. The one thing I've noticed in the past is, like, when you put those speakers in the little cutouts within the helmet, it really pushes against my ears on both sides, and it just starts getting very annoying and painful after a while. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. And a huge shout out to Cardo for sending me a unit and, you know, just being a sponsor for the ride. Huge shout out to them. Now I have links in the video description below for the Cardo Packtalk or anything on the Cardo systems. If you use my code Bhroman, you get 10% off. And, you know, again, in all transparency, that's an affiliate link, so I get a little kickback from Cardo, but you get to save 10%. So check them out.